Hey everyone, this is Maggie from Maggie's Kinder Corner, and today I'm going to try to show you how to make your very own image map image that goes at the top of your blog. Recently I have found that it's really important to get your brand out there, and this is just another way that I think will really help, in addition to putting buttons at the top to go to your various social media areas, as well as your Teachers Pay Teachers store. So let's get started. First of all, I created an image in PowerPoint. Um, okay, by creating a table, and the table is approximately, you can get the layout here, is approximately 1.33 inches by 9 inches, and that's kind of the easiest way to do this image. I also split that table and I resized, so the top part is about 51.51, and then from there you have your whole table size that you're going to use to create your image. So what I did from that point was insert some text, and I'm just going to do that real quick. See if it works up here. Okay. Oops, not going to go the right color, so I'm going to change the color. And I want to make the text larger. And I'm going to center it. Now this one is kind of a new one that I've been practicing. Anyway, I get my text on there, and my original image looks like this. And this is how it will appear on your blog if you put it at the top. And after I create my image and put the thumbnails in, and all I did was insert thumbnails that I would use for a product when I do my product page on Teachers Pay Teachers. And all of these, as you can see, are linked but by the time we do the screen recorder. So we're going to go ahead and pretend we have created our image and got it like we want it. Get all your thumbnails in. And then you're going to go to your photo, wherever you store your photos. And as you can see, this one was approximately 711 by 152 pixels. And I saved that to PhotoBucket. And the reason you have to do that is that your image has to be stored online in order to use the image mapper. So after you get your image online, you're going to make sure you have the screen ready to grab your link, and it has to be a direct link to the image. This is pretty slow today. And as you can see in PhotoBucket, right here is my direct link, so I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Now it's copied. And I'm going to this site. This one is called isdntech.com. And it's really easy. You just put your link to your image right here, and then you go ahead and add a new link. And when you add a new link, you get to drag the box over the image you want to link to, that you're going to link to the product page at Teachers Pay Teachers, and you enter the link from Teachers Pay Teachers. And I have not pulled that one up, but go ahead and grab your link, put your link, then create another new link and drag that box over, and you can resize the box. And then if you have several, you're going to add new links, and each time add the product page link and a little brief description of what it is. And when you get finished and you think you're all done with it, then you can go down to the bottom and it will say make code. And when you get the code made, you copy the complete code. Let's just do that real quick. And then you're going to go into your site, into the HTML area of your site. So I'm going to go ahead and go into design. Internet's very slow today. And then I'm going to go into layout. And I have mine right here, keep up with the latest news. This is where all of the buttons and everything are stored. So under the buttons at the top of my blog, I'm inserting the image information. So wherever that happens to be in this code, you will go ahead, and here you can see, where's the center? Okay, under this center area, and if you don't have center, you might want to type that in, and then all of this right here is your code that you're putting in. And if you can't quite get it all selected like I did, you can do the control key and go on to the bottom. Anyway, you put that in and save it, and then you view your blog, and it should all appear there. And the image map you created will stay at the top as long as you want, and I would highly recommend putting this in a PowerPoint file and creating it with that, because you can save this as a PowerPoint file, and you can even keep your images loaded on that file, and then it's ready to use the next time if there are some that you choose to maintain on that next image that you do. I'll change this map probably monthly, and I will always have this map journal on it, but there will be other activities that are more seasonal activities that I'll put on. So but once I did this, I had forgotten the most important part. Once you get this map created, it's really easy to use the snipping tool. And as you can see, here's the old one. And you create an image with your snipping tool and then save as a PNG to an area of your computer. And that's what you're uploading to your photo hosting site. And once it's there, then you get to grab it and get the link to it and everything, and it will be inserted. So this is a kind of mixed up tutorial, but I do hope it helps you in creating an image map for your own site. It's just really easy to use that image map maker. And so the main thing to remember is to create your product image with all of the thumbnails that you want, and they're going to be stable in that image as one whole PNG. And then when you upload it to PhotoBucket, you will link to it, and that's how you will create your image map. And then be sure to grab the code and insert where you want it on your blog. Now, you could do the same thing as a vertical on your sidebar too, I think. But I believe the most effective area for you to generate sales is at the top of your blog. That's been proven over and over again. So I hope this helps. Bye.